Well, there's been a big lending rate cut by the Reserve Bank of India. In fact, the RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra has cut the key lending rate by 50 basis points. The stance is now neutral and inflation target is at 3.7%. What does this really mean for you and me? Well, there's a relief likely for home buyers on the radar, but how are the markets reacting? Let's get all the details in from Sakshi Bajaj, who's been tracking the RBI movement. Sakshi, take us through the key takeaways.
Right, a key lending rate cut, of course, higher than anticipated by most economists by 50 basis points by the RBI to 5.5% from 6% earlier. So remember, this of course comes at a time when the RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra was saying that, look, India's economic fundamentals remain strong. Of course, our growth has been steadily growing as far as India's economy is concerned, and inflation has been steadily moderating. That of course has also come, shown and reflected in, of course, the projections coming in from the RBI, this policy. So of course, for our viewers to understand what does this mean for you, me, and of course many borrowers, well, if banks translate this rate cut, it means that their borrowing, their monthly EMIs get cheaper, whether it's home or auto loans. And of course, we have seen the reaction on the markets as well. We have seen these rate sensitive sectors outperform now, turn to the green. Remember, earlier in the day we saw a flat open from markets, but now clearly rate sensitive stocks like auto, home, real estate giving a thumbs up to the RBI policy at the moment.